Now, students, part three of this here. So I've got my walls and my rising walls and my floor in. So what I want to do is create the foundation, strip, what's called a strip foundation underneath the rising walls here. So I'm going to hold my shift down and rotate to get the underside of the rising walls here. We can use the view cube here as well. It's handy for that. Okay, now going over to the structure tab. And what we're looking for here is foundation. See this wall foundation there. So I'm going to click on that command there. And it brings up the wall foundations here. And what I'm going, yes, if I go into the type properties, it shows that the width of the foundation is 900 and the thickness is 300. That's perfect for me. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now, if I select the underside of the rising wall, and again, this is a property of the rising walls, of foundation walls as opposed to walls above ground. Click once, click twice, 3, 4. Now I can hit my shift and go back down and I've got my foundation in place. Okay. Right. So we're back over here. What I'm going to do now is going to activate my first floor plan. All right, because I want to draw the roof in here. And again, you can see it's at scale 1:100. I'm going to change that to 1:50. Now, so the roof is a command within the architecture tab here. And we're going to, here it is. So we're going to hit the roof. We're going to do, there's different ways we can do this, but we're using roof by footprint, like so. Now, again, hit the drop down box here in the properties and we can choose different roof styles that are available to us. Down a button, pitched, warm, trim, over. Okay. And I'm going to go into edit type again and into the structure of this here. Now, just to make this a little bit different from how Tom did it, I'm going to change the tile for a slate, right? Roof slate. And I'll go okay. And the slates are only about 6 mil thick or so. Then we've got a timber batten, we got some felt, we've got some timber board, we've got an insulation, and we've got a timber truss zone. It doesn't put the trusses in, it's just a zone. Look, we'll go okay with that one for the moment. And we'll go okay. So what I want to do is I want a little overhang on this roof as well. So here's my overhang here, and I'm going to put in 300. Okay, now if you watch here, as soon as I bring my cursor close to the wall, you can see that there's a little ant line on top here. Now, if I accidentally come the inside, it'll put the roof on the inside. Don't want that. So click that once, twice, 3, and 4. All right. Now, we can do lots of different things with the roofs here, but I'm going to pick this line. So, and then by hitting Control, add that one to the selection, and I'll turn off Define Slope. All right. If I pick this one, it's telling me that the degree angle is 30, and I can very easily change that to 35, and then I want it to match in the middle. So I'll change this one to 35 as well. Okay. And I will go finish. Okay, now there is my roof in position there. Yeah, the fascia is a little bit deep here, so I'm going to pick the roof now, and we're going to change from rafter cut in here to 2-cut plumb, which activates the fascia depth, and I'll put in a 175 fascia. Apply, like so. That's done. Now, here's a lovely little trick. Instead of having to draw an extra piece of wall here, what we can do is we can select the wall, go over to this command here, attach to top and base, and then pick my roof, and it'll attach in there. Same again, attach to top and base, pick my roof, and that is like so. So we got our basic little building more or less complete at that point there. Right, that'll finish part 3.